and we're gonna be delivering some donations to in our local community, trying to give back, trying to do the right thing. We got an offer here from Doordash, and the offer is a Project Dash offer. If I can find the offer, I can't even find it. I know I took a screenshot. There we go. All right, what is Project Dash? Well, Project Dash is a program that Doordash has been doing since 2018. And Project Dash enables governments and nonprofits to partner and facilitate to get their deliveries done in the local communities. For social impact and to increase the access to these donations in the community, they partner with Doordash in order to get these deliveries out to the people that's most in need. I'm gonna do my part. I gotta order her from Doordash. We're gonna be heading over to King of Glory Church, and we're gonna be picking up 10 orders, and we're gonna be delivering them in the community. And I'm gonna feel good about doing this, because you know what? It's not about the money they paying me. Even if this wasn't a profitable order, I would still do it. Donation Dash. And you know what? It actually wasn't too bad, you know? All the drop-offs was in really, really close proximity. So it was about 10 minutes away from the church. And once I made it over here, all the drop-offs are right by each other. I mean, within a minute away from each other. I'm approaching my last drop-off right now. What's this? What's this? $4 for 6.7 miles? Now, I just did some charity, but I ain't doing that kind of charity. Now, as you can see here, I made $27 from doing all those Project Dash deliveries. What's this? $6.65 for 6 miles?
Really, nigga?
No. I did my charity for the day, Doordash. Leave me alone, please. So it would have been 30 bucks for 10 deliveries, but I had to unassigned one because I couldn't find it when I got to the donation place, and I wasn't finna waste any more time looking for those. So there you have it. And it actually took me less than an hour to do those 10 drop-offs. What's this, $7 for 3 miles? I guess that's not a bad order, but no, I'm looking for a catering order. So go ahead and pay it forward, do some deliveries for your local charity. Nope. We are 1 hour into our dash. I'm at $39 so far. Look at that, $39, 1 hour in. I'm gonna go ahead